Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling tire and wheel assemblies products on Amazon. These products are top-rated by customers and offer unmatched quality and performance. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 5 on our list is a remarkable set of all-terrain tires from Weize, the Weize ATV/UTV all-terrain tires, 25x812. Front and 25x1012 rear, 6PR, set of 4. These tires are crafted for those who crave adventure, designed to conquer any terrain you throw at them. The front tire size is 25x812, while the rear stands at 25x1012, with a wheel diameter of 12 inches. The 6-ply rating ensures durability, offering resistance against punctures and abrasions. But that's just the beginning. These tires feature a premium rubber construction and a directional angled knobby tread design. Whether you're traversing deserts, slicing through mud, cruising over dirt, or climbing rocks, these tires deliver high performance in the harshest conditions. Imagine the deep, widely spaced tread bras effortlessly shedding mud, ensuring a grip that excels on a myriad of terrains. From on-road streets to the harshest rocky terrains, from soft and hard terrains to sand and snow, these tires are engineered to adapt and perform. Lightweight yet durable, their smooth rolling design promises quicker acceleration and reliable braking. Every ride becomes an adventure, with the promise of performance and safety in every turn and twist. Remember, rims are not included with these tires, and when you receive your order, expect 3 packages. Don't be alarmed if they don't all arrive at once. The remaining packages will be on their way. These Weize all-terrain tires are more than just wheels. They're a promise of adventure, a guarantee of durability, and a testament to high performance. Get ready to elevate your ATV or UTV experience to the next level with these exceptional tires. Number 4 on our list takes trailer tires to the next level. Introducing the eCustomRim 2-pack trailer tire rim ST205/75D15, 15-inch load C5 lug white spoke wheel. These tires aren't just about performance, they are about peace of mind, durability, and reliability. First up, let's talk about size. With a tire size of 205/75D15 and a load range of C, these tires are built to handle weight. They boast a tire weight rating of 1820 pounds and a maximum pressure of 50 psi, ensuring your trailer stays steady and secure, no matter the load. But that's not all. The bolt configuration of 5 lug 4.5 inches center fits perfectly, making installation a breeze. Quality is paramount here, as evidenced by the 2-year limited warranty, and to sweeten the deal, it comes with free roadside assistance. That's 2 years of worry-free towing, knowing help is just a call away. The reinforced square shoulder tread is designed for optimum road contact. What does this mean for you? Superior stability, enhanced handling, and a smoother ride. The variable tread pitch reduces road noise, making your journeys quieter and more comfortable. Picture this. You're hauling a heavy load, navigating winding roads, and your trailer tires grip the road with unmatched confidence. The tread design cuts through the noise, providing a smooth, serene drive, and if anything goes wrong, roadside assistance has you covered. That's the eCustomRim promise. These tires are not just components, they are a commitment to quality, safety, and peace of mind. Equip your trailer with the eCustomRim 2-pack trailer tire rim and experience the road like never before. Durable, reliable, and ready for any adventure, these tires are your ultimate travel companion. Number 3 on our list is a game-changer for all-terrain enthusiasts, presenting the WANDA ATV/UTV tires 25x812, a set of 6-ply light mud tires designed for performance and durability. These tires boast a tread depth of 0.6 inches and a rim width of 6 inches. The robust design ensures a maximum load capacity of 340 pounds at 7 psi, with a load and speed index of 43J. What does this mean for you? It means reliability and strength, no matter the adventure. Crafted for the discerning rider, these tires are durable and lightweight, offering a smooth, rolling design that translates to quicker acceleration and more responsive braking. Imagine gliding over rough terrains with ease, feeling the grip and control at your fingertips. The deep, widely spaced tread bras are engineered to shed mud effortlessly. These tires excel across a variety of terrains. From muddy trails to rocky paths, they adapt and conquer. The heavy 6-ply rated nylon construction is built to resist punctures and abrasions, ensuring longevity and performance. Picture the rugged trails, the challenging landscapes, and the uncharted paths. With the WANDA ATV UTV tires, you're not just riding, you're mastering the terrain. These tires offer the perfect balance of durability, performance, and reliability. In the world of all-terrain vehicles, your tires are your foundation. With WANDA, you're equipped with tires that deliver exceptional traction, superior handling, and remarkable durability. Whether it's a weekend adventure or a daily grind, these tires promise to keep you moving forward with confidence. Elevate your riding experience with the WANDA ATV UTV tires, 25x812. Built to last, designed for performance, and ready for any challenge. These tires are your ultimate companion on every journey. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling tire and wheel assemblies on Amazon? Well, don't tire out. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your ride smooth and never miss out on the latest updates. Number 2 on our countdown is the 2PK Durun ST205/75 R14 radial trailer tire with a 14-inch white wheel 5 on 412. Load range D. These tires are engineered for those who demand the best in performance, durability, and reliability. Let's start with the specs. Tire size is 205/75 R14, load range D, with an impressive 8-ply composition. The load index is 105, and the tread depth is 8.2 mm. The speed rating is M, and each tire can handle a maximum capacity of 2039 pounds at 65 psi. The overall diameter is 26.14 inches. Now, on to the rim. The size is 14x5, with a bolt pattern of 5 on 4.5 inches and a center bore of 3.19 inches. It has a load capacity of 2205 pounds, a rim diameter of 14.97 inches, and a rim width of 5.49 inches. The section width stands at 7.99 inches. These measurements ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. These tires are crafted from premium rubber compound materials and reinforced with double steel belts and full nylon plies. This combination guarantees superior function and longevity. The durable nylon cord layers alternate in a crisscross pattern, providing stiffer sidewalls and allowing the tire to flex easily. This bias ply construction delivers a smooth ride and improved handling, especially on uneven surfaces. Additionally, these tires come with a 1-year warranty and meet all Department of Transportation specifications. The inclusion of the rim makes installation straightforward and hassle-free. Imagine the confidence of knowing your trailer is equipped with tires designed to withstand heavy loads, offer exceptional handling, and provide a smooth, comfortable ride. Whether you're towing across town or embarking on a long-haul journey, the 2PK Durun radial trailer tires are built to perform and last. Equip your trailer with the best and experience the difference with Durun. These tires are not just a purchase, they are an investment in quality, safety, and peace of mind. Get ready to hit the road with unparalleled confidence. Number 1 on our countdown is the ultimate all-terrain performer, the set of 4 SunF Power ATV UTV tires, designed to conquer any landscape with unmatched precision and durability. Let's delve into the details. The front tires measure 25x812, and the rear tires are 25x1012, both fitting a 12-inch wheel diameter. These dimensions make them a perfect fit for a wide range of vehicles, from quad ATVs and UTVs to go-karts, golf carts, and even lawnmowers. The directional angled knobby tread design excels in various terrains, providing high performance on trails and exceptional traction in desert, mud, dirt, and rock applications. Crafted from premium rubber and a hard compound, these tires are built to withstand the harshest racing conditions, making them an ideal replacement for your current setup. The heavy 6-ply rated construction resists punctures and abrasions, ensuring longevity and reliability even in the most demanding environments. Lug depth and pattern enhance skid and traction control, making these tires perfect for cross-country adventures or desert escapades. The aggressive shoulder knobs offer superb side bite and traction, providing additional protection to the rim and sidewall. Before you purchase, remember that rims are not included. Always check the size of the original tire on your vehicle to ensure compatibility. Imagine tearing through the trails, navigating rocky landscapes, or cutting through muddy paths with ease. The SunF Power tires deliver exceptional performance, durability, and value, making them a top choice for all-terrain enthusiasts. Whether you're on a weekend adventure or a serious off-road expedition, these tires are designed to keep you moving forward with confidence. Experience the ultimate in traction, control, and durability with the SunF Power. ATV UTV all-terrain tires. Truly a remarkable all-terrain tire at an affordable price. Get ready to elevate your off-road experience to new heights. The road ahead is yours to conquer with SunF. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling tire and wheel assemblies on Amazon. To stay updated with all the best sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.